Alright, welcome back to another video, guys. We're about to head down to Cars and Coffee's new location. Our car is a little bit dirty. It rained last night, so we don't have any chance to clean it, as we're already going to be a little bit late today. But it is December 1st. There will be Street Night takeover tonight as well. However, I don't know how it's going to go because it will rain tonight, so there probably won't be many Mexicos. We'll see though. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video. We'll hit the road and enjoy some nice cars. First cold startup of December. We have arrived at Cars and Coffee.
He's got a bandit. We were working the counter waiting for us.
The car's pretty insane. That blue's really nice. I'd probably get the blue on mine if I had one. Alright, so we're here at the new Cars and Coffee location. My brother over there, he's starting a vlog, and we're just going to go ahead and record a lot of these videos, record the Ferraris and everything, so let's go ahead and start. GTR here. Huracan over here next to the GT350. Beautiful Mustang. Audi R8 GT and a 650S.
Fold up. There you go. Dude, that thing's nice. Ready? I was talking to guys who come trade performance per dollar. Yeah, and Mike can do their
That's a pretty dang awesome lineup if you ask me. 3720S is probably my favorite car right now, favorite supercar. I used to love the 675 LT, but dang, that's nice.
And it's not like it's a baby build. You know, the carpet's around, carpet front. Yeah.
Another R8. Another R8.
Man, I would want that to be so nice.
They stick too.
Huh? Stick. Manual, yeah. Was it like 2016?
That nice wing in the back. Everything's carbon fiber on that. Woo.
Nice! Nice! Look at you!
Seen him before. Where's the 458? I don't even know, honestly. No, that's a 458. I don't know, it's one of them. There you go.
Nice.
Another 720S and a 570. Jesus. It's here. That's crazy. You heard him. It's got dealer tags on it, just bought it. Looks like foreign car stallion, yeah. 458, yeah.
450, yeah.
Charlotte's got a McLaren dealer? I didn't know they had a McLaren dealer. Then there's the Huracan over
Well,
here.
it may be the club.
Could be.
You know, they just have their motor club.
I didn't think they had a dealer here. Look, I'm recording it.
To your right.
There's a Gallardo. Carbon fiber. Oh.
Oh, yeah.
They have matching splitters and spoilers.
They do.
That's that big. Just don't blow my ear though. He likes to rev. Man, they're all over the place. So many supercars today. Never seen this many in our area. I've never seen this many supercars at one show. That's a 570S or GT, I'm not sure. 770S, 720S. It appears we are not done just yet.
Oh, look at that Benz.
Dang, son. Orange Huracan.
I like the other location.
Alright guys, that concludes Cars and Coffee. It's December 1st. Was an awesome day. I've never seen so many supercars at that one location at one time. So it was really epic. However, it is raining. We do have Street Night takeover tonight. If the rain is too bad, we will not go. But if it's okay, expect another video up by tonight or tomorrow. So hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned for more car meets. The guy with the sports bike is going to do YouTube a lot more. So I will link his channel really soon whenever he's ready. So just stay tuned. A lot of epic content coming your way. Hope you enjoyed the video. Peace out.